Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on the search bar, then type here Microsoft Edge and click here to open it. Then click on these three dots, go to settings, then click here and simply go to about page. And now Microsoft Edge is up to date, so we need to update our Microsoft Edge. After that, click on privacy, then simply scroll down and clear the browsing data. For that, click here and simply check all these boxes. After that, click on clear now. Once done, close this window and then go to search bar and type troubleshoot settings. Click here to open it. Then go to other troubleshooters and simply scroll down. Click on run from Windows Store apps. This will take some time to complete and detect the problems. Once done, close this window. After that, search for settings and click here to open it. Then go to apps tab, click on apps and features, and then from the app list we need to search for Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots, select modify and click on repair. There we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.